What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Gele tutorial, so let's get into it, guys. Let's go. Grab your Gele, grab your pin, and let's go. Okay, guys, so you grab your Gele. Today I'm using Ashurike for this tutorial. So you grab your Gele and you split it into 70-30. So you split into so you split into 70-30, and then you press down on your meeting point. So you press down the meeting point so you know where it stays in the middle, and then you start making your pleats. I'm just fighting my background, guys, please ignore me. But yeah, you make your pleats like so. Go. And just placed it on my leg to just make sure it's made properly, and then I press it down. Let's fast forward to the next. Let's keep to the good part. You have arrived at your destination. Okay, so I've got my pleats and I placed it on my head. Right. So I have the long side going behind me, and then the short side is the one right on my earlobe. So always have the short one on the earlobe because that's the one that's gonna come round to have a meeting point. I have the V. So I'm just placing and making sure my pleats are neatly folded and it's not rubbing my makeup off. And I can turn around. Oh gosh, guys, I was fighting my background with me. So I turn around here and I crisscross the shorter hand. So the shorter one goes underneath and the long one comes over it. And you can see I'm using my hand to just make sure I've got all of the geles and the pleats to the other side. So you can see that, and then I spin back around. Oh my god, me and my background were fighting in this video. But yeah, so I use my chin to hold the longer side, and then I've got the short one, and I just follow the pleats round and I place it across, and I just try and use my fingers to make sure to make the pleats stay nice and neat, because I want my pleats to be like as even as possible. No, it's not gonna be perfect, but at least look near to perfect, if you know what I'm saying. So place it, and at this point I have totally been carried away, like I'm rubbing off my brows at this moment and I didn't even realize. But yeah, so I'm putting the pleats as much as I can get, swoop that one all the way to the back, keep going, and I then place it. Now here you can obviously the hand is short, so I'm not gonna have enough to tie a knot, so I just keep adjusting my pleats. Just keep adjusting your pleat until you're satisfied, and then I get myself a pin without the bob, without the head. So look at that, the really tiny office looking kind of pin. It was a bit wonky, so I put it down. So I got another one, and I just use it to pin the Gele, to secure the Gele down. See that? And push in so the Gele is secured. Now you can see it's all secured nice and firm. Adjust it. Just make sure you're able to like adjust your Gele and still be in place. If it's not in place, then you probably need to make it a little bit tighter. You see, like that. Oof, that looks nice and pretty. And then I come round to the long part of it. Remember, I'm doing turban, so everything is just going to be pleats all the way till I'm happy. So I grab the end of the other Gele, the long side, and once I've got enough pleats and folds, I just bring it over, boom, like that, and I start to adjust my pleats and make them look nice. Like always, it's all about the pleats, it's all about making it look nice and smooth, nice and tiny, make it look as plenty as possible. And I just keep going and trying to make sure my pleats are all in place. I'm gonna shush now because at this point it's self-explanatory. I'll come back in when I need to explain to you guys. But yeah, I just literally repeat the same process, the pleats. Grab it from the end and bring it over, bring it front, and hold it with my other hand, and then just press it down. And then I press it down. Boom. So I repeat that process continuously till I was happy with the amount of pleat I achieved. Okay, so once I pinned and secure it and I turn around, I saw I've got enough, and now I just tuck in the remaining of my gele. So nice, twist it nicely because you don't want the back of your gele to look messy. You want it to look as neat as possible. So I did that, twist it, and I grab pin. Listen, when you're tying gele, pin is your best friend. Pin. Just grab your pin and pin it as much as you can. I grab my pin and I secure it in place like an envelope. I closed it up like an envelope. And when I'm putting my pin, I'm putting in like you're making a stitch, like you're sewing. So you're not just putting, like stabbing it through. You put it in like you're making a stitch. So in, out, in, out, in, out. Let me know if you want me to show you how I use my pin. But yeah, shift my gele back a bit. And yeah, I've achieved that. Just adjusting my camera because I was feeling this look. I'm not even gonna lie. This kind of geles suit my face. They always suit my face. Anything extravaganza, I don't know. It's not me. It's not giving for me. This one is giving. It's giving governor's wife. It's giving president. It's giving bougie, rich auntie vibe. I'm putting on my jewelry just so it makes sense, because this gele, if without its makeup and gele and you don't have accessories, you kind of look like a plain face. English is not English. Plain face. So put my jewelry on, looking like a rich auntie, looking like a million bag, looking like a bougie. But yeah, guys, that is the end of this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Enjoy my vibe, because I was just vibing. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I love this look, this Gele. I loved it. I love this. I love the style. I love the makeup. Everything just complements each other. Enjoy as I'm vibing. Hit the notification bell to always get a notification every time Lizzie Atkins upload new content. For now, guys, enjoy my vibe, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know